Very good evening, participants. My name is Dr. Vignesh. I am part of the National Digital Library of India team, and we are co-organizing this national 25th National Reading Month celebration along with PN Panikar Foundation. And so we have conducted over 10 webinars in the last few days, and this is Digital Library of India team, and this is one of those important webinars that we are organizing today. So this webinar is something very closer to my heart, and I actually wanted this webinar to be here. So thanks to Balagopalji who accepted my request to be of to organize this webinar. So storytelling, it's something that I could recollect from my memories, right? So some of my uh, what do you call the ethics, core values, principles have actually been passed on to me by my grandparents. So they used to tell a lot of stories. You may remember like a lot of bedtime stories from our grandparents. So that is gradually going away, right? So like when I met Vikram a couple of years back, I was wondering like what is he going to do. So like we had an off day of workshop primarily for library professionals. So during that off day of workshop, so he actually changed my perspective of storytelling. So storytelling is a very 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 powerful medium of uh, opening up the imagination of the children and the adults. So it's not just for children, but even it's for adults. So uh, storytelling, it also matters who does that storytelling, because you need to have a professional a person who can manage this thing. So we have Vikram Sridhar, who is a performance storyteller and theater practitioner. Through folk tales, he's trying to explore our rich heritage of oral literature, which is slowly being lost and just sitting unread in books. He's a TEDx speaker. Vikram has spoken and performed in multiple prestigious conferences and workshops about the power of stories in our lives. And he's an engineer and management graduate from institutes like the IIT, and he has traveled across the length and breadth of the country, and he has conducted over thousands of children and adults like storytelling sessions, and reached out to thousands of children and adults across the country. So I am very happy and glad to welcome Vikram for this webinar. Over to you, Vikram. You may want to turn on the video as well.
Sure. Thanks, Vignesh, and thanks to the wonderful Panika Foundation for creating this space. Good evening, everybody. I know you're all happily chatting, but you see, this is not a live session. If it's live, I would have told you to look into my face. But since you can't see my face and I can't see your face, the only available thing is the chat window. So you can keep chatting with me, but chat to me. Enough of good evening, like Sir said. Now, as I go into the story, you can also start replying to me. You can also start telling me the answers. But let's talk through the chat, because if not, you all will go to sleep. So where do we start? Like Sir said, storytelling or lokatha or folk tales is one of the oldest libraries in the world. The oldest library in this, especially in India and in our country, is stories. And let's travel the stories for the next few minutes. And in the end, I'll open to questions, and we'll see where it goes. So the stories I'm going to share are going to be focused towards children. And of course, children means anybody who is above 0 feet, which means even I'm a child, even so-called adults, teachers, everybody's a child, no? As much as we have our fathers and mothers, we're all children. We all were born, and let's go back to our child world, and travel with me into the story. Okay. So once upon a time is English. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ. ஒரு ஊர்ல ஒரு தமிழ். ఒక రోజు ஒரு తెలుగు. Undu Divasa Malayalam. So, like that, wherever we travel in this country, we are going to tell stories and consume stories. So, what is stories called in your language? What is it called in your language? Now, if from good evening, can you start answering my question? We'll go into that. So, start telling me kahani, beautiful. Kahani, khani, kata, gappa, gappa in Odisha, kate, kate, kategalu, kahani, beautiful. Golpo, gappa, varta, Gujarati, kencho, kahani, beautiful. We have a Japanese also, majama, beautiful. Hikai, okay. Kota, ghapa, ghapa, ghapa khani. So the as you go la 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 Katagalu Kadagalpa Golpo story. What else do we have in our language? Stories from here, and because our common language is English, we will go in English for some time. Then we'll see where to go. Oh, ah, la 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 Varta Kahan Pikata Anushka will be there. Why are you disturbing Anushka? Let's go into the story. And for my first story, I'm going to go Kahani Punjabi, beautiful. And for the first story, I'm going to go into a story of a lovely, cute animal. You know which animal? Give me an animal that you all like. Kissa, Hindi. Rabbit, dog, panda, cat, elephant, puppy, panda, lion, dog. No. The story is not about the dog, not about the lion, rabbit. No, it's very cute. It's like you and me. Not the tiger, not the elephant, not the dog, not the human, not the peacock, not the human. No. It's the monkey. The story is about the monkey. Yeah. Pehal Kaur said monkey, like Dilesh said monkey. Yeah, Ekta, monkey, correct. Monkey. Anushka says monkey. And this monkey, my monkey, our monkey, is a very naughty monkey. Like all of you, like all of me, all those who are chatting and saying hello, all these naughty people, and like that, our monkey is very naughty, and a monkey is called Minky Monkey. Minky Monkey is there in our Bandar Monkey, Korangu, Vanara. What else? What is monkey called? And this Minky Monkey is a naughty monkey. And this Minky Monkey goes and looks at some people like, pulls people's at, and Minky Monkey goes running and sits his place like, and Minky Monkey is very naughty but very happy because Minky Monkey loves laughing. La 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 la. And Minky Monkey is such a cute little monkey, and Minky Monkey has so many friends. Minky Monkey has tiger friends, Minky Monkey has elephant friends, Minky Monkey has horse friends, Minky Monkey has dog friends, Minky Monkey has cat friends, Minky Monkey has even mosquito friend. Minky Monkey even has mosquito will come and Minky Monkey is naughty but very friendly. Are you all naughty and friendly or naughty and not friendly? And Minky Monkey was that. Minky Monkey was such a naughty, yeah, and a happy, friendly monkey. Minky Monkey was the monkey, and every day Minky Monkey used to go walking, and smile at all the friends. Can you all give me a nice big smile, which goes from Delhi to Cochin? Big smile. So open your mouth and say, and show how Minky Monkey. And Minky Monkey used to smile like that big smile, huge smile. And everybody used to say, hello, Minky Monkey, hello, Minky Monkey, hello, how are you, Monkey? Minky Monkey had not one, not 20, but 100 friends. And 100 friends Minky Monkey had. 100 Minky Monkey friends loved Minky Monkey. So Minky Monkey used to go walking. High five. Can you all give me a high five? Dishum. And Minky Monkey used to give high five, low five, side five, all five, and had 100 friends. One day, Minky Monkey woke up, had bath, like all of us. You all have bath, no? Do you all have bath? And then Minky Monkey brushed the teeth. Yeah, like how we all brush our teeth. Minky Monkey had a bath, and Minky Monkey went walking. La 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 la. Damal. Minky Monkey fell down. Tabak. Minky Monkey fell down, and Minky Monkey saw down. And when Minky Monkey saw down, there was a stone. Stone. Just a small stone. Minky Monkey head. And Minky Monkey had a stone, and the stone made such a big. And Minky Monkey got angry. And Minky Monkey saw the stone and said, Minky Monkey got not this much, but this much गुस्सा. इतना गुस्सा है, इतना छोटा गुस्सा नहीं है, इतना बड़ा गुस्सा. That's a big gussa. And Minky Monkey, and Minky Monkey again walked, and with la 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 la, Minky Monkey again started walking. Again, double. And Minky Monkey thought it was another stone, and Minky Monkey again saw down. It was not a stone. It was a box. It was a box. And Minky Monkey took the box, and it was this big box. That to this size. And Minky Monkey looked left, looked straight, looked right, looked up, looked down. Is anybody watching? And Minky Monkey opened the box. And Minky Monkey opened the box. And when Minky Monkey opened the box, Minky Monkey. Minky Monkey saw. What do you think Minky Monkey saw? What do you think Minky Monkey saw? What do you think Minky Monkey saw in the box? It's such a small box. Treasure, okay? What do you think Minky Monkey saw in the box? Nuts, fruits, ring, food, chocolate, stone, yummy food, biryani, bisi bele bath, gold coin, banana, medicine, banana, small box. No, you know what Minky Monkey saw? Don't tell anybody. Not pearls, not stone, no. Minky Monkey saw not tooth also. No, not smile. Minky Monkey saw colors. Minky Monkey saw 5 colors in the box. There were 5 colors in the box. 5 colors. 5 colors. What colors? Correct. Which colors? What is the colors? The basic color. The simple color. Give me 5 simple. Red, okay, beautiful. Red, blue, okay. Red, green, okay. So red, green, blue. No, not yellow. There are 2 colors which is everywhere. If you see the sky, it is there. Black, yeah. So it was red, green, blue, black, and white. So 5 colors. Like your high five, Minky Monkey saw 5 colors. Red, green, blue, white, and black. And Minky Monkey closed the box. And closed the box. And put the box in the pocket. Can you all close the box with me? Come on. And Minky Monkey put the box in the pocket. And now Minky Monkey had a secret. Shh. Minky Monkey This not tell anybody. And Minky Monkey put it in the pocket. And Minky Monkey face from E became mm. And Minky Monkey's face because Minky Monkey had a secret box. And the secret box in the pocket. So Minky Monkey was very quiet. No talking. No smiling. No looking at friends. No friends at all. And Minky Monkey kept the box in the pocket. And Minky Monkey, every day, today is Sunday, Monday, laptop, Tuesday, laptop. And if Minky Monkey is keeping serious face like this, will Minky Monkey have more friends or no friends? More friends or no friends? If you create face like this, yeah, no friends. So Minky Monkey, from 100 friends, 100 became 90, 90 became 80, 80 became 70, 70 became 60, 60 became 50, 50 became 40, 40 became 30, 30 became 20, 20 became 10, and then 0. Minky Monkey now, after a few days, got 0 friends. But Minky Monkey had the box. Should we stop the story and end the story, or do something for Minky Monkey? Should Minky Monkey have 0 friends and box, or should we help Minky Monkey? What can we do? Yeah, Anit is saying, help, let's help Minky Monkey. And one day, when Minky Monkey was sleeping, and all the other friends, which Minky Monkey had 100 friends, started talking. We all have friends, no? If our friends are very sad, we should help them, no? And so all the friends said, the tiger, the parrot, the eagle, the dog, and everybody got together, had a meeting. They said, what is wrong with Minky Monkey? Why is Minky Monkey not talking? Why is Minky Monkey not telling? Why Minky? Why Minky? Why Minky? And then you all say, shh, let us not talk. Let us help Minky Monkey. But who will help Minky Monkey? Because if we go in the day, Minky Monkey is doing face like, so we have to go in the night. And if you walk and go in the night, Minky Monkey knows we are coming, and again Minky Monkey face. So somebody who comes from up and somebody who's awake in the night. Who is that? Who can go? Owl, beautiful. And the owl says, super. I will go and I will talk to Minky Monkey and come. And Minky Monkey said, okay. And the owl that night, ooh, 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 and sees Minky Monkey, and Minky Monkey is sleeping. How is Minky Monkey sleeping? And flies down, flies down, flies down. Yeah, hooting. The owl sound is called hooting. And flies down and sits on Minky Monkey and wakes up Minky Monkey with its wings. And Minky Monkey wakes up. And the owl says, shh, why are you shouting? And Minky Monkey says, oh, owl, kabutar. What is owl called in your language? What is owl called? Who can give me the name of an owl? What is owl called in your language? Ullu. And says, Ullu, up. What are you doing here? Why did you come? And Ullu says, shh. Minky Monkey, see your face. My face? You see my face? Eee. Where is your face? Look at your face. It's like, what happened to your smiling face? Eee face. Minky Monkey said, oh, you want smiling face? That is why nobody is talking to me. And the owl said, yeah, if you don't smile, who will talk to you? 1 day sad, okay, 2 days sad, okay, 3 days angry, okay, every day angry and sad, who will talk to you? And Minky Monkey said, but what do I do now? And the owl Ullu said, what do you have in that which is you're holding like this? Oh, this, it is my box. Open that box. Because of the box, you've lost your 100 friends. What is the use of not having friends. You should have friends. And what is use for having box or no friends? And Minky Monkey said, so I will open the box. Okay. And yeah, and the owl said, tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, you come, everybody will be there. Open the box and we'll see what is in the box and then see what happens. And Minky Monkey says, okay. And it was night, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, 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 no. At 8 o'clock, Minky Monkey gets ready and starts walking. La 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 la, and everybody's waiting. Not 100, but 1,000 animals, birds, reptiles. Everybody's waiting to see what is in the box. And Minky Monkeys looks at them and says, "You all want to see what is in the box?" They said, and Minky Monkey takes the box and opens the box. Babab, 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 babab. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! And when Minky Monkey opens the box, Minky Monkey sees there are not 5 colors. How many colors do you think Minky Monkey sees? How many colors? Not 10. 100 and 1,000 of colors. The 5 colors have become new colors now. What color do you think Minky Monkey sees in the box now? From red, green, blue, white, and black. What all colors can come out? Give me, yeah, yellow, pink, light blue, brown, gray, purple, magenta, orange, golden, silver, maroon, baby pink, purple, gray, copper, peach, cyan, dark green, light green, leaf green, turquoise blue, boom. So whatever color you want, you can take mustard, violet, boom, 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 boom. And colors kept coming and coming and coming and coming and coming. And all the colors went, yeah, all the colors, dark blue, navy blue, magenta, dark green, and everybody got a color. And Minky Monkey shared the colors with everybody and took the box and put the box down. Skin color, multicolor, mustard, beautiful. And now Minky Monkey looked at everybody and everybody gave a high five to Minky Monkey. And Minky Monkey also gave a high five. And they all said, Minky Monkey, see, all you have to do is to keep or share. When do we get friends? If we keep something, will we get friends? Or when we share? And Minky Monkey said, oh, I should share, said Minky Monkey. And Minky Monkey now from 100 friends got 1,000 friends and many friends because Minky Monkey was sharing. And if you all share, we'll get many friends or lesser friends. And beautiful. So that's your first story. And like Minky Monkey, if we share, we get friends. We can share. What all can we share? We can share food, we can share pencil, we can even share our, what do you say, if you're angry or sad, also we can share with our friend. We can talk to a friend and say, friend, you know, I'm very sad today. That also we can share. And like that feelings. Yeah, we can share feelings. And even if it's children or papa or mama or teachers or sirs, anybody who shares will get a friend. And that's what friends are, no? And if you all see a friend who's keeping a face like and not talking, go to them, put your hand and say, let you talk, I want to listen. If you listen, also you will get a friend. And that is your first story. And from Minky Monkey's story, we will go to another story. And this story is about, you will see, it's about another animal, but this is not about the animal, but this is about a palace. You know, a palace a big palace. This, yeah, the king on papra papra pam mahal. एक गांव में एक महल था. वो छोटा महल नहीं है, वो बहुत बड़ा महल. It is such a huge palace that it has 100 bedrooms. It has 200 hall. It has 70 kitchen. It has 85 toilets. It has car park. It has chariot park. It has horse park, elephant park. It had big palace. And in the palace, they were ek Raja, ek Rani. And this Raja and Rani, everybody said, Raja, Rani, namaste, 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 Raja, Rani, namaste. And they said, Raja, Rani were in the palace, in a big palace. They were ministers, they were soldiers, they were cooks, there was everybody. No, we were king and a queen. And this king and the queen, and in this palace, there was, around this palace, there was a big forest. And the big forest, there were animals. And not the monkey, but who do you think is there in the forest in this story? Who's going to tell me? Yeah, a tiger. What is tiger called in your language? Give me what's tiger called in your language. Hindi, Punjabi, Odia, Malayalam, Tamil. Bhag, Sher, Bhaga. Beautiful. Puli, Yagra, okay, Sher. Okay, and this tiger, so one side of the forest there was a palace, and on the other side in the forest there was a tiger. And this king and the queen and the people were happy, singing, dancing, la 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 la. They were doing this work, they were doing that work. Children were happy, everybody was happy. They were dancing, singing, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. But whereas in the forest, the tiger was there. And this tiger every day was eating and eating and eating and eating. What do tigers eat? What do you think tigers eat? Meat. And tiger was eating the deer, eating the rabbit, eating the flesh, and eating. And one day the tiger said, you know what? I don't want to be in the forest. I want to go on a vacation. We all do that. No, we say to Mama, Papa, let's go out. It's very boring. Let's go somewhere. And so the tiger said, let's go somewhere. And the tiger said, ha 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 ha. I will go into the land of the palace. And the tiger combed its hair and from the forest stepped out into the land of the palace. Let's land of the palace. What could we call this land of the palace? We'll call it palace land. And this palace land had 50,000 people. And it entered the palace land and the tiger entered. And when the tiger entered, will the people be smiling and saying, hey, tiger, welcome? Or will they be, ah? Will they be laughing and smiling? Or will they be scared? Yeah, because the tiger and tiger will enter. Yeah, and the tiger entered. And the tiger kept 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, boom, boom, boom. And the tiger was looking, what can I have? I got bored of deer. Should I have a sheep? Should I have a donkey? Should I have a human being? Should I have some new dishes? Is there a hotel I can go to? But there's no Swiggy, there is no Uber, Zomato and all for the tiger. So what the tiger? Yeah, and the tiger was looking. And the tiger was looking, but people were scared. And everybody was so scared. Like today's lockdown, they all went into their houses and shut the door. They all shut the door. How do you shut the door? Boom. And they shut the door and nobody came out because the tiger was in the town. And the king and the queen also were inside their palace. And they sent an information and The tiger is not a part of the town, it's part of the forest. So it will not follow lockdown. Yeah, it is outside, it's a visitor. And the king and the queen said, "Papara papara pam 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 pa 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 pa," and said, "All of you be at home. There is a big problem. A tiger has entered our town, our land of the palace. So till the tiger goes back to the forest, we will not come out of the house, and keep your door shut, Damal." And everybody went into their house and shut the door. Palace shut, house shut, everything shut. Hmm. While this was happening, there was somebody in the town, and this person was what do you call him? We call him a dhobi wala. You know what a dhobi wala is? What is a dhobi wala? You know what a dhobi wala is? Washerman. It can be a washerman or a washerwoman also, no? Yeah. So dhobi, yeah, washer. And this dhobi wala has an animal with the dhobi wala. Which is the animal with the dhobi wala? Is it the cat? Is it the dog? Donkey. What's donkey called in your language? The cute, nice, smiling animal. What is donkey called in your language? Gada, 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 gada. Karude, donkey. Appa, so fast, so I can't even read. Okay. Lovely. Kotha. Okay. Nice. Kachar. And this dhobi wala donkey, dhobi wala, where like this. Every day the dhobi wala gets up in the morning, takes the donkey, puts the load, puts the clothes, and goes walking, 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 walking. He and she go walking, coming back, and every day the donkey comes back, and the dhobi wala ties the donkey to a tree and goes to sleep. And that's what the donkey and the dhobi wala is. And 3 days before this tiger entered the town, this donkey went missing. The donkey went missing. Donkey ran away somewhere. And this dhobi wala was laptop, 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 and didn't know where the donkey was. 1 day happened, 2 day happened, 3 day. You don't know, nobody knows where the donkey is. Even the police doesn't know, mama doesn't know, papa doesn't know, nobody knows. So there is, and the dhobi wala said, "Let me." I'm very angry. He's very sad because he has to buy another donkey, but because everything is shut, he can't even buy another donkey. He can't even get another donkey. How will you wash clothes? How? So he became so sad, and he shut his door and he started sleeping up. He slept for 24 hours, from the night to the day to the evening. He ate little bit and slept up. But he woke up in the night. And when he woke up in the night, you know what time it was? It was 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, he woke up. He woke up. Why do you think he woke up in the night at 11 o'clock? Why would the dhobi wala wake up in the night? Why do you think dhobi wala woke up at 11 o'clock in the night? For water. Pani, Vallam, wash clothes in the night at 11 o'clock, okay? Because he's a fool, okay? He can find the donkey, okay? Always thinking of the donkey, he woke up at 11 o'clock. He slept too much, okay? He's hungry. He heard the donkey braying, Niru. Someone knocked the door, okay? He slept too much. Washroom, correct. You wanted to go to the washroom. You wanted to use the washroom. And the dhobi wala lives in a big house or a small house. This was a small dhobi wala's house. So which means the washroom is inside the house or outside the house? Will it be inside his house or outside? Yeah, outside. And so the dhobi wala has to get up, open the door, and walk to the washroom, which is 100 meters away. So the dhobi wala woke up at 11 o'clock. and no electricity, no current, no nothing. And with a small candle light, he saw that there was he saw the door, and he opened the door. 100 meters, not 100 kilometers, 100 meters. And he opened the door. And he opened the door. And because the moon was there, he stepped out, and with the moonlight, he could know. Because if you normally go to a place in the night, do you need light, or you will know it where to go? So he knew where the washroom was, so he just has to open the door and knew exactly where he had to go. So he went walking, and in the darkness he could see also. And he went chapak, 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 and he was about to come to the washroom, and he felt that the bushes near the washroom was shaking. And he put his ears. And again the bushes were shaking. And again he put both his ears. And suddenly he could also see in the darkness, he saw a tail moving. And it was like a snake, but he knew it was not a snake tail. Ha! And he felt so happy. Yeah! I have found my donkey, my gada, my gada. Yeah! And he started dancing. And that animal also was like, what is this man doing dancing in the night? And who will dance? And this animal was quiet. And the Topiwala said, you wait here. If you go anywhere, I will come and thrash you. I will hit you. I will coom. You better don't go anywhere. See what do we do. And this animal got frightened. Who is this man who is shouting at me? Who is this man who is yelling at me? So what can he do? And so this animal was quiet. And this Topiwala, with full happiness, with full Josh, went running, went to his house, opened his house, took a big rope, and came back to the washroom, and with the rope, pulled that animal from the head, pulled the animal out, and tied the rope, and pulled the animal to the house. Can you pull? How do you pull an animal? Take the rope, and he pulled it to his house, and all the time he was shouting and scolding that animal like the animal was so quiet. And he continued 100 meters. He was only talking. And he took the animal and he tied it to the tree in his house. And he tied it to the tree, and he finished his washroom work, and he went to sleep. And the morning, 11 became 12, 12 became 1, 1 became 2, 2 became 3, 3 became 4, 4 became 5, 5 became 6. And suddenly he could hear people knocking on his door. And he said, who was knocking on my door in the morning? And he woke up. And imagine he's in his house. Will he wear bunian or shirt, or he won't wear anything on the and sleep, like night dress? He's wearing his night dress. And he opened the door. He opened the door slowly. And when he opened the door, sir, ma'am, there were two people standing. Who do you think that was standing there? It was the king. Yeah, the king and the queen. And behind the king and the queen, there were soldiers, there were people, there were children, there were all the entire town was standing behind the king and the queen, and they were all clapping. And the Dhobi fellow said, why are they clapping? What did I do? I went to the washroom, no? Did I do washroom somewhere? What did you do? Some other thing instead of the washroom? And they all said, wow, Dobiwala, you are such a brave person. You salute you. You are the bravest person in the town. And the king and the queen gave him gold coins, gave him whatever you want. What do you think the king and the queen gave him? What do you think they would have given him as gift? But he said, sir, before that, let me wear my shirt and come because this is my night dress. And he went inside, wore his dress like kurta, pajama, all, and shirt, pant, dhoti, veshti, mundu. And he came out and he said, and he took the gift. And he said, okay, but what is this gift for? And the king and the queen said, what? You're so brave that you don't even know your braveness? What a hero you are. You are the bravest person who doesn't even care. If only everybody could be so brave as you. So beautiful. And Dobiwala inside said, yo, what are they talking? I don't even know. But outside, yes, I'm very brave. I'm very brave. Inside, laptop. Outside, and again said, okay, so thank you for the gift. But what is the gift for? And the king and the queen said, we love your humbleness. See there, what we have been fighting for 3-4 days, so many days, you finished in one night. And the Dobiwala turned. And he saw what he had caught in the night was the tiger. But can he show that he's scared outside? So outside he was inside he was outside, and he got the bravery award of the country. He got bravery award of the town. He got the best person of the town. He got the strongest award, everything. But inside, and he told everybody, yes, I got the tiger in the night. It was in my backyard. I just took it and tied it to the tree. Inside, what happened to the donkey? Oh, you. And now everybody caught the tiger. And now tell me, what will you do to the tiger? Will you take it to the zoo or should we leave it in the jungle? What will we do to the tiger? Should we catch the tiger or release the tiger? Beautiful. And so they took the tiger and left it back in the forest so that the tiger could also be safe, so that we could also be safe. And yeah, because that's the tiger's house, and that's how the tiger entered the forest. And like the Dobiwala, should we be scared? Yes, he didn't know the tiger. But should we be brave or should we be scared? What should we all? What do you all want to be? Brave, beautiful. Yeah. So if you're all brave, we can all get the tigers that's around us. Tigers around us could be our exams, could be what we want from mama, papa, could be what we like to do. And for the elders also, brave confidence is what will get us in what in life. If you're scared, we can be scared, but once you become brave, we can get all that we desire. And if you're brave and confident, and you have to explain, we will all get what we want. But if we keep it in our head and be scared all the time, we might never get the tiger. And what happened to the donkey? That's another story for another day. Yeah, it's brave but not beautiful. You can be brave but not overconfident. Correct. You can be confident but not overconfident. And that's how. So from Minky Monkey, we can take sharing. From the Dobiwala, we can take the brave. And the last story, I'm going to finish with another animal. But this animal I'm going to do with an animal that we all spoke about. You know which animal? The tiger or the monkey? Which animal do you think the story is? Monkey. Let's do monkey. Okay. Monkey. We'll do a monkey story. So let's call this monkey as monkey monkey. Monkey 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 had a papa, had a mama. What is papa called in your languages? Like appa, pitaji. What is papa called in your languages? Father, papa, pita, baba, daddy, acha, pops, okay, appa, papa, and monkey also had a mama. What do you think? What is mama called in your language? Mama, mummy, mommy. Lovely. So monkey had a daddy, had a mummy, and monkey loved eating, loved eating, loved eating, loved eating. What did aha in Japanese? Okay. And monkey loved eating a fruit. What fruit? What is banana? Super. And monkey had banana Monday, banana Tuesday, banana Wednesday, banana Thursday, banana Friday, banana Saturday, banana Sunday, banana. And even if you love something, can we have it every day? But one day you will get bored of it, no? Yeah. So monkey one day got bored and said, I don't want banana, I want another fruit, and went to Papa, went and said, Papa, give me another fruit. But Papa was very busy doing WhatsApp. Mama, give me another fruit. And Mama was very busy doing Instagram selfie. And monkey got this much angry or this much angry? Small angry or big angry? Small angry, big angry. Monkey got kitna gussa, bada gussa. Monkey said, Papa, Mama, I don't want both of you. I will go and eat the fruit by myself. And monkey went, opened the door and shut the door and went into the forest. And monkey said, what fruit can I eat? What fruit do you think monkey wants to eat first? Mango. Okay. What is mango called in your language? What is mango called in all your languages? Can you say? Ambra. And you know how the juicy mango is? You can take it and do. And monkey wanted to eat a mango. Went and climbed. What tree do you have to go for mango? Which tree has mangoes? Which tree do you think has mango? Yeah, mango tree, no? And monkey went to the mango tree. Will banana tree have mango? And monkey went to the mango tree and climbed the mango tree, climbed the mango tree, climbed the mango up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And when monkey climbed the mango tree, mango. And can you all put your hand and pluck a mango? Boom. And one monkey was taking the mango. There was another animal which was eating the mango without climbing the tree. And it took like this and ate it like this. It took like this and ate it. What do you think? Which animal was that? Which took, yeah, the elephant. The elephant has something which is long. What is that? What is that which the elephant has? Trunk. What is, do you all have a name for trunk in your language? Like trunk is called tumbikkai in Tamil, sood, soond. Yeah, that soond. The elephant took the mango without climbing and ate the mango. And how many mangoes? 10 mangoes. Labak, 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 labak. And monkey looked at the elephant and said, oh, elephant, what is this you have like this tube? That's a nice tube. What is this tube? And the elephant said, you don't know what is this? I have a trunk. Soon. Yeah. And monkey said, elephant, where do you get this trunk from? And elephant said, where will you get? Will you get in Flipkart and Amazon? You have to ask her mama, papa. It has to come from mama, papa. Oh, and monkey felt a little sad. And monkey said, I don't want mango. And this elephant is also laughing at me. Let me go to another tree. Yeah, God, mama, papa. And went to another tree. What other fruit can we have? No mango, orange. Not apple doesn't grow everywhere. No, it's a fruit which grows around India. From Kerala to Kashmir to Punjab to everywhere. Strawberry, jackfruit, pineapple. Pineapple is not grown on a tree. Okay. Huh. Yeah, okay, guava. Beautiful. We'll take a guava tree. And monkey went to a guava tree. Because jackfruit is very difficult for monkey. You see how it is big. And monkey went, and climbed another tree, and took the guava, ate the guava, took the guava, ate the guava, and again there was another animal which was eating the guava without climbing the tree. It had a mouth, and it was so tall it could reach the guava. It's an Indian animal, tall Indian animal. Which animal? Not the giraffe. Indian animal, tall Indian animal. No, I said animal. No, tall Indian animal. Yeah, camel. Priyanka says camel. Beautiful. And it was the camel. The camel was opening its mouth and eating the guava. And the camel was eating not 10, not 20, not 30, not 40, but 100 and all the guavas it was eating. And monkey said, camel, what is this so long that you have that I don't have? And camel said, that's my neck. That's my neck. And what is the, how did you get the neck? And monkey said, I have such a small neck, you see, so small. And camel said, yeah, you don't have a neck. And where did camel get its neck from? Yeah, from parents. And monkey said, for neck also I should ask mama, papa. Okay. So elephant said trunk, mama, papa. Camel said neck, mama, papa. And monkey said, I don't want a fruit which grows on a tree. I will go on the ground and I will eat a fruit which grows on the ground. And monkey went down and started running, and was searching for a fruit on the ground. Beautiful. Watermelon, muskmelon, pineapple, okay. Pumpkin, peanut, okay. Carrot, okay. Okay. And of that, monkey said, I'll take a big fruit. And big yummy fruit, which is the watermelon. And monkey went walking, saw the watermelon and cut the watermelon. Can you all cut the water? How do you cut the watermelon? Break the watermelon. Boom. 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 And when monkey opened the watermelon, monkey saw another animal coming to the watermelon. Which animal do you think was coming walking? And this animal had a voice like big animal. It was also walking to the watermelon because it was thirsty. Yeah, the tiger from our second story, and now the monkey also meet now. And the tiger came for the watermelon, and the tiger came and tiger's sound is called music or growling. What is a tiger's sound called? Growl. And the tiger growled, roar. And monkey said, hey, when I give sound, it's like, but when you give sound, it is so big. Where did you get the sound from? And the tiger said, you don't know where to get sound from? You know where I got sound from? I got from my, parents, bird. Yeah. And monkey said, trunk, mama, papa. Neck, mama, papa. Okay. Sound also, mama, papa. And now monkey said, let me go back to mama, papa. And monkey went home, opened the door and shouted, Mama, Papa. And both of them are doing kach, 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 kach. And monkey said, stop. I listen to me. And Mama Papa said, what, monkey? What do you want to do? And monkey said, give me trunk. Give me neck. Give me roar. Oh, Mama Papa said, so you want a trunk, you want a neck, you want a roar. And Mama Papa looked at each other and started talking. And they said, okay, now let's go back to the forest and meet all these three people that you met. And monkey, and Mama Papa held hands. Can you all hold your hands? And let's go. La 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 la. Monkey said, pass, give me pass. La 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 la. And they went to the elephant. And Mama Papa saw the elephant, and the elephant had a trunk. Yeah. And monkey said, give me trunk. And Mama Papa said, wait. And Mama Papa said, elephant, jump. And the elephant said, can elephant jump? And Mama Papa said, turn to monkey and said, monkey, you jump. And monkey jumped, boom, 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 20 times. And monkey said, yay, I can jump. Elephant can't jump. And now they went from elephant to the camel. And they went to the camel, and the camel said, oh, Mama Papa. And Mama Papa said, camel, touch your nose on the floor. And the camel said, what? Touching nose on the floor is very difficult for me. And Mama Papa said, monkey, touch your nose on the floor. And monkey said, and monkey said, yeah, I can touch my, I can bend down. The camel can't bend down. And monkey said, there's one more person, let's go. And they went to the last animal, which was the tiger. And they saw the tiger was, and they told the tiger, Mama Papa told to the tiger, why is sitting? Go climb the tree. And tiger said, what? Climb the tree? You see, I can't climb. Only my cousin, the leopard, can climb. I don't know how to climb. And monkey went and climbed the tree 10, 20 times, up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down, and said, Mama, Papa, so which is the best animal? And Mama Papa said, come, let's go to one last place and we will go back home. And monkey, Mama Papa went to the last place. La 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 la. And they came to a lovely river. And Mama Papa said, see inside that. And monkey said, what is to see? And monkey said, what? My face is there. And Mama Papa said, the best animal in the world is you, monkey. And if you all see yourself in the water or mirror, whom will you all see? Whom will we all see? Whom do you all will see? Yeah, our own reflection. And what Mama Papa said, the same thing. So the best person in the world, or the loveliest person in the world, is all of you. Each one of you, or each one of the 400 plus people who are listening, are wonderful people. And if you all love yourself, take your right hand, take your left hand, and hug yourself. And if your Mama Papa is next to you, give a hug to Mama Papa. Or if your child is next to you, give a hug to your child. Or if anybody is there next to you, give them a hug. And if you name and hug in today's time might be difficult, but just hug out of love. And just like libraries and books are a lovely way to connect us to the three things we spoke of: sharing and being brave and loving ourselves. And if we love books and if you're compassionate to books, and if we share books, we all are the dancing people. La 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 la. So monkey went home, Papa went home, everybody went home, and the story slowly got over, and story time over. So for older children, younger children, teachers, librarians, our life is beautiful and life is tough. But if we can share, if we can be brave, and if we can love ourselves, we can be a wonderful person to the people around us and to ourselves, and without hurting each other. And books are a wonderful way. Library and books and networking and sharing is wonderful way. Like each of you who've come and listened across India, thanks to each of you. I know you would have loved to speak in Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi. I will learn. मेरा मातृभाषा तमिल है, so मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. वो मेरा स्कूल का भाषा इंग्लिश है, so मैं हिंदी थोड़ा अलग है. So I share in English, but in a heart, what's the language? We can speak Punjabi, we can speak Malayalam, we can speak Tamil, we can speak Telugu, but Pani, Jal, Neeru, Vellam, everything, whatever we say in a language, what we get is that same thing, right? So let's love all of us, and love doesn't need a language. Love only needs a heart. Just like reading and books and stories, love each other, and that's what I want to end by saying la 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 la. I end here. Anybody wants to ask questions, you can type. I'll take questions. So if you, I mean, I'll stay for another 5-6 minutes. Vignesh sir, if you want to moderate the questions, or over to
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
sir.
So that's a wonderful session, Vikram. So I enjoyed it thoroughly. I'm sure our participants might have also enjoyed the session. Uh, so, so there are 21 questions. So I'm sorry, I'm missing.
Okay, but I can't see the questions.
It's slightly, I think, due to load. I think it's taking time.
Okay.
So I have a generic question, Vikram.
Sure.
So during this time of lockdown, so this
Mhm.
question came up during yesterday's webinar. So because of this lockdown, many people have got into, like, be it students, teachers, parents, they're all some sort of in the situation of a depression. And
Mm.
how do you think we can get out of this depression using this storytelling session when the entire world is going through a difficult phase? So if you could quickly answer this, that would be wonderful.
One is sharing and listening. So as much as sharing is important, listening is also important. And if we can spend as much as we like to send emojis on WhatsApp, we are still sending it to a people. So we are people bound even in today's time. So if we can connect to people again and listen and share, so if we can identify even a one person in a day and pick the phone, talk to them. uh, I'm sure there are so many people in our lives. It could be our cousins, it could be our friends, it could be even our children in a community. Spending time face to face is very therapeutic. Yes, the screen time is definitely difficult, but if you can make time, maybe oral, so the nada, the sound is also a healer. So if you can use voice and connect, that's a great antidepressant. I mean, because what is called nada in the Indian system, the nada is very therapeutic. That's why lullabies are there. I can end in a lullaby also, which might I mean, some of you are interested. So the nada is very powerful. A human voice is very. So it goes like this. Araro, ariraro, arirararo, ariraro, ariraro, arirararo. So we all come from either Punjab or Orissa or wherever we are in Kerala. Voice is very therapeutic. So if we can connect to voice, and it'll definitely heal us out.
So I have a request, Vikram. If you could turn off your video, I think it's taking a lot of bandwidth. The system is
Okay.
getting hang.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. I can.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. I think it's getting
Okay.
stuck. So I'm just trying to put the take the questions. Even my chat window is, I think.
Okay. And so anybody wants, I mean, you can share my Facebook profile, my Insta. I mean, they can do. Sure. Contact
Sure.
me on social media.
Sure. You have a YouTube channel, right?
I mean, not very active. I mean, there is a channel where I document some of the stories I say, but it's publicly sourced. They can watch.
Okay.
Some of them are raising hands. I mean,
Yeah, but I'm not able to move my cursor.
okay, okay,
It's completely stuck.
okay. So Shankar, say, I mean, I can see one question. What kind of stories are apt for 9th and 12th? One is real life stories, or real life stories of people, history, for example, real life characters which they relate to, because we come from a different generation. For example, in today's context, Virat Kohli or Saina Nehwal, episodes from their life will connect to the older children, and also to draw parallel in their language. I mean, because as educators, sometimes we are not as much as updated as the children, so we can be updated and connect. So real life stories. And real life characters would connect to older children. And of course, even animals story will work, but you'll have to debrief them. So after the story, I have to debrief and have a conversation about it. So having a conversation after a story is very important for the older children, and hearing their perspective. So it could be about gender, it could be about power, but they need to talk because they love to talk. So as an educator, we have to listen to them. So that's when, because folk tales in that way are not just for children; it's for adults, it's for everybody. So it's how you open it out and have a conversation beyond that. So my channel, or you can just search Vikram Sridhar online. You will find. Just go to Google and do Vikram Sridhar. You'll find all your information on it. Can I conduct? So if there's a specific group, I of course can, because I mean today I know it's a wide spectrum. So if there is a specific group of age, then I can be very specific to them, because of course the language I speak will be different. Like the tone that I'm speaking now, you'll see is different to the tone I was using in the story. So that will itself uh, change, because I need to speak their language, and that will do. So if I know it's ninth, I will speak a ninth language. If it's a 12th, I will speak a 12th language. So definitely, I mean, I can. If you can contact, maybe take my contact with Vignesh sir and contact, I can do sessions for schools. I do that, I mean, all the time.
Sorry, Vikram, my system is still.
No worries. I mean, I can, people are just typing here, so I'll take it from here.
Yeah. Kindly do that.
So podcast, I don't do a podcast because the thing is, I'm a very animated person, so I need to watch and do. So even this is very restricting, because I know that वो अब पूरा लोग invisible है, so I can't see any of you, but I'm just doing to a screen. But having done so many in the last 3 months, I know exactly that people are watching, people are reacting. That's when the chat window is. So YouTube is one. So I can do audio cast. I mean, again, if you can do a webinar, I will do to people who can watch me. You can listen. So just put in YouTube, put Vikram Sridhar, you will get YouTube's, I mean, videos on me. So puppets are puppetry. So there is a difference between storytelling and puppetry. It's like, again, telling and singing. So when you use puppets, it becomes puppetry. So when we can use puppets as props. A little bit we can use, but storytelling means telling a story. Like how grandpas and grandmas will just sit and tell a story. That's storytelling. Puppetry is an additional tool, because that is another tool to practice, because we also have a rich tradition of puppetry, Bomalata, Tol Bomalata, shadow puppetry, Rajasthani Katputli, which is another form by itself. When you're bringing it, you have to be careful. So are you telling a story, or you're doing it through mimicry? That's a different tool. So if you practice with that, then this could, I mean, it will enhance the storytelling. So voice is something that storytelling will definitely use.
Okay, so if there are not much questions, so Vikram, I have just some housekeeping announcements. So for downloading the participant certificate and submitting the feedback, just go back to the webinars page which I shared earlier, and then today's session you will see stories from India storytelling session. So you can see the Vikram's image there, and on the right hand side you will see a feedback button. So just click on that feedback button. Then this you have to just fill your basic details and give your feedback about the session, and your certificate will be automatically downloaded from there. Then you can first take a screenshot of this certificate, and then on the top you will see a print button. So just click on the print button, and then you can take a printed or PDF version of the certificate and keep it with you handy. So with this, I thank uh, Vikram for this wonderful amazing session, who like 1 hour speaking in multiple voices and getting the audience hooked. It's a really tough ask, and Vikram did this brilliantly. So I once again thank Vikram and the entire audience for nicely participating and sharing your views. On behalf of the PN Panika Foundation and the National Digital Library of India, I thank each one of you for participating in this webinar. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you, Vikram, for this wonderful session.
Thanks to each one of you who have been there throughout, and thanks to Vignesh sir, and thanks to Panika Foundation for creating this space. Thank you, and hope to see you sometime somewhere when I travel out or any other time. So thank you.
Thank you.